Hey you guys, it's Taquisha from Our Freedom Song. The last video that I posted, you saw that I went with Faith Family Homestead to Virginia, and we went to the HOA there. We had an incredible time. I'll definitely add some clips from our trip and some different people that we came across, probably familiar people that you guys have all seen you know, here in YouTube land. And so I would definitely post that at the end of this video. But today's video, we are going to be looking at the garden and harvesting some sweet potatoes. I'm so excited. This broken world is hardly simple, flat-handed to the dreamers, but my hope is solid in the promise that will keep us in these last days around the You guys, so today is an exciting day because we are harvesting sweet potatoes. And we are looking forward to harvesting these things because it's been so hard to not when you see little sweet potatoes sticking up out of the ground. We're gonna go ahead and harvest these things. Let's see what treasure we have in here.
There's one right there. That's actually cool. It's big.
I'll try that. Over there. In a basket for me.
That's so cool. They're really deep.
Yeah.
They're deep. Some of them are deep. Like this one is deeper. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's so cool.
There's two down there.
Just in this one section.
Whoa.
Wow. That's so awesome. And there's more like right here in this same section. That's so cool. Sweet potatoes. Because the vines run deep.
Are we pulling the vines out?
Yeah, you could pull them out and away so that we can.
Ooh, there's so much.
Oh, those mosquitoes are a different type of thing.
Whoa. I saw them.
I can got some.
Whoa, that's huge. Here,
This is humongous.
That's weird.
So when you see one to dig it up, let me know so that I can video it.
Oh, it's funny.
But that is really big.
That is humongous.
I think
I got one.
sweet potatoes.
I'm gonna like sweet potatoes.
Oh wow,
Oh wow. With the little thing.
that's so fun.
Mommy, I found one. Mommy, look.
That's huge.
Ooh.
That is huge.
Wait, hold on.
Flower, Mommy.
Good job. I think that one broke, Shiloh, in the ground. I think we got to make sure to go deep enough.
Whoa.
The ones on those edges are huge.
Mommy, look. Wait, this one? Tiny baby.
Cool. It's going to be so sweet.
Whoa. This is going pretty deep. Oh.
Yeah, I think it broke. We got to make sure to dig all around it. One potato, two potato, three potato, four? Is that what that song came from?
One's clumped to the other one. Whoa. One's still connected to the ground.
This has a big root in it.
5 potato.
Any more potato? Any more potato? There's probably gonna be potatoes everywhere growing in this section.
got one, Mommy. I didn't get that
6
one.
potato.
Dig.
Yeah.
Mommy, I think you smushed the toad.
I smushed a toad.
No, it's right there. So that was exciting. We have all of these sweet potatoes and I'm so happy about this. This is exciting. I would say to date, this is my favorite harvest. Sweet potatoes. So we did get some that looked like they were still growing, but we did get some pretty big ones as well. Let's take a look. Love that. Doesn't that just look like an embryo in the womb? That's what that reminds me of. That's what, let's see how many really big ones we got that are comparable to the store. And just remember, like, these potatoes came from sprouts that came from one potato. So not this whole bed, but just imagine, like, in this one potato you could get 5 potato starts. Like, it's really incredible. So I'd say for our first time growing potatoes ever, that this is a success for sure. And I'm thinking that next year we should expand our potato efforts, because this was so easy to grow, so easy to grow. But we won't be rinsing these potatoes off. I'll just be leaving them just like this and setting them up to cure. And yes, I will be using these little baby sweet potatoes. I actually really love small sweet potatoes because you could just throw them into a soup and they're easy to cut. And so I will use all the things. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that sweet potato harvest as much as we did. We absolutely enjoyed it. Yes, this is a fresh apple that I picked off the tree. Let me show you how incredible our trip was. So we came over here, we saw the seeds of things, and it was hard not to get the seeds. But listen, all this stuff is already growing so fantastic that we're literally going to get some of these things and drive them home. Okay, so some people come to things like this and they buy all kinds of stuff. This is what we over here buying, y'all.
They call us, I feel like the crazy plant ladies. Like, oh, you caught me.